we're asked to identify the numerator and denominator in the fraction 3 over 4, or 3/4. So let's rewrite this just so it's nice and big. So let me just write the fraction. So we have 3 over 4. 3 over 4. Now, they want us to identify the numerator and the denominator. The numerator. So the numerator is just the number on top. So the numerator is the 3 right there. And then they want us to find the denominator. The denominator is just the number on the bottom. It's the 4. So if they say, what's the numerator? 3. What's the denominator? It's 4, just the number on the bottom. They could have just called this the number on the bottom. They could have just called this the number on top. Now, to think about what this represents, what this fraction represents, you can think of it of 3 out of 4 pieces of a pie. That's how I think about it. So you can imagine the denominator tells us what are we taking a fraction out of, or how many pieces are there. So let's imagine a pie like this. So we could draw it like, well, we could draw it as a square pie. So we could draw it as a square pie. So this is what the denominator represents. This is what the number on the bottom represents. And then 3 says we are representing 3 of those 4 pieces. So this 3 tells us that out of 4 possible ones, I guess you could think of it, we are using 3. Or maybe we're eating 3. So you can imagine someone says, I ate 3/4 of a pie. This would be read as 3/4. They're eating the blue portion of the pie if we cut it this way. If we imagine a round pie, it would look like this. Let me draw a round pie. So that is my round pie. Let me cut it into 4 equal pieces, or roughly equal pieces. And if someone says, I ate 3/4 of this pie, where the 3 is the numerator, and then the 4, and you'd read that as 3/4, the 4 is the denominator, they would eat this much of the pie. They would eat 3 of the 4 pieces. They would eat 3 of the 4. So this is 1 piece, this is 2 pieces, and this is 3 pieces. So you can imagine the 4, the denominator represents the total number of pieces in the pie, and then the 3 represents how many of those we ate.